G'day. It is Monday, the 29th of June 2026, almost finishing off the second quarter of the year, and it is nearly the end of the financial year here in Australia. Looking at Friday's action, we are still inside Wednesday's very bearish day down that hit that psychological level, the 4,000 psychological level. When Thursday was just an inside day, and I did sort of look for a sell into the 2026 lows where there's a double low down there, and unfortunately hesitated on a really nice setup, but it didn't actually go much further than that. I would have probably held it a bit longer, and that either would have been stopped out as a break even or as a loss, because price bounced exactly from the Asian low and closed quite strongly back into Tuesday's low. It's found its level between Tuesday's low. Wednesday broke down really strongly, and now we've had two inside days, which is actually really nice because it creates now a double high with Friday's high and Tuesday's high, and we have these triple lows to target if I'm selling, and price is already starting to move back down. So I'm just going to mark those off, and we'll drop down to the trading time frame, where, just as I mentioned, I hesitated trying to sell into this 4,000 psychological level, but it turned out to be a really nice one-to-one trade. I probably would have held it longer than that to try and go into the lows again, but buyers took price straight back up and all the way through, pretty much right through to the end of the day, and we've held quite strongly up there. So today we'll switch on the volume profile. Quite a large volume profile zone that's taken right up into the high of the day, and that becomes the previous day's high. The point of control where the majority of volume that was traded in the New York session is up near the high of the day. We are currently holding support at the value area low. We're above the inflection point but below the dynamic value line, so price could get squeezed in here. Not going to be looking to take trades until we get out of this zone. If we trade back up above the upper value level, the point of control is something to pay attention to, but I really like trading into the previous day's high and target the first upper level. Do I want to sell into the inflection point? Particularly no. If we break the inflection point, we have potential to come down lower again before price moves higher. So we'll just see how it plays out. It is still only the first 30 minutes of Monday's trading, so no need to get too excited just yet.